By reciting the few verses of Holy Quran, I invite Mr. Tahir Ahmad Mani.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين. في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تبلونكم بشيء من الخوف والجوع.
I again, Professor Ghulam Jilani, Dean School of Earth and Environmental Sciences. I again invite Professor Parvez Ahmad to present bouquet to Mr. Humayun Kaisar. I again invite Professor Parvez Ahmad to present bouquet to Mr. Mushtaq Ali Ahmed Khan.
It's with great joy and heartfelt warmth that I welcome you all back to your academic home, that is the Department of Geography and Regional Development, which has been now rechristened as Department of Geography and Disaster Management. Today is more than just a reunion, it's a celebration of shared journeys, personal milestones, and an enduring bond that connects us through time and space, much like the discipline of geography itself. It's my privilege to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Nilofer Khan, who in spite of her very busy schedule, came here to spend some time with the respected alumni of the Department of Geography and Disaster. I take this opportunity to welcome Professor Ghulam Jilani, Dean, School of Earth and Environmental Sciences, for his august presence at this event. Thank you, sir. He has been the former director of Doordarshan Kendra, and at the same time, he is from the first batch of the geography department. First batch of the geography department. Welcome you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, fine.
In this university, believe me, मुझे हर nook and corner इस university का starting से याद है. ये जो pine trees grow हुए हैं, मुझे ये भी पता है इनको कब plant किया गया. प्रोफेसर रियाज पंजाबी साहब के टाइम, जब हमने वो गुलमोहर ट्रीज को काटा और इनको प्लांट किया.
एलुमनाई मीट आपने देखा होगा, हर कोई डिपार्टमेंट कर रहा है. इवन देयर वाज अ वेरी नाइस एलुमनाई मीट इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी व्हिच दे आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन वेरी प्राउड एलुमनाई ऑफ आवर्स who have worked as police officers, who have been teachers of great, eminent teachers, as good researchers, some of them as civil servants, and some of them very well connected with the arts. When I say art, I mean, with films, with radio, media. So it gives us satisfaction how our alumni are performing. It's not important they become scientists. They are involved in every field. It's a training experience for our own students, and definitely we would like to have more connection with them, and so that we invite them as experts. They have interaction with our student that gives them more variety of learning. Kitna acha vibrant session it was. So definitely it helps, and it's a learning for our they said about some hardships also, they said when they were as students. So it gives an idea to the students, like at present, what type of facilities are available in the campus and in their own respective department.
Mr. Ali Mohammad Rishi.